Hi, I'm Manny. I'm here with DRICORE. Going to talk about the installation of DRICORE Subfloor R+. Why DRICORE Subfloor R+? As you know, poured concrete is cold, hard, damp, and generally uninviting. Concrete is porous and will release moisture. DRICORE Subfloor R+ is the all-in-one engineered subfloor system with a raised integrated moisture barrier designed to protect, insulate, and cushion finished floors installed over concrete. It's cheap insurance to protect your finished flooring investment. DRICORE Subfloor R+ is made by combining OSB with extruded polystyrene XPS. Can be used in basements, slab on grade, or any other concrete surface. Has an R value of 3, which raises the temperature of finished flooring by up to 5.6 degrees Celsius or 10.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Quick to install and easy to transport. Convenient size, nominal 2x2 and just 1 inch thick. Panels 6 pounds. Install any finished flooring material over DRICORE Subfloor R+, including carpet, laminate, vinyl, wood, ceramic tile. Strong enough to stand up to heavy home furnishing like a home gym equipment, pianos, pool tables, etc. Enough talk, let's put some R+ down. Tools required. You're going to need a pencil, tape measure, hammer, tapping block, circular saw, jigsaw, pole bar, carpenter's square, and a 6-foot level. To calculate how many panels you need, we're going to first calculate the square footage of their area, length and width, and we're going to divide that by 3.3. That also factors in cuts and waste. Establish a clean work area by picking up any debris and by thoroughly sweeping the concrete floor. You got to inspect the concrete for any gaps, cracks, holes, or unevenness. DRICORE leveling shims have been designed for use with the DRICORE system for areas where the concrete floor is uneven. High or low spots in the concrete that cannot be overcome by leveling shims may be resolved by using a concrete leveling compound. You got to plan your layout, you got to measure the width of the room, and you got to factor in any obstacles like poles or cabinets. When planning the layout, remember the surface area of DRICORE is 23¼ inches by 23¼ inches. To get started, you will install a 1/4 inch spacer on the starting 2 walls. If possible, use a full panel to begin with the tongue going towards the wall. It may be necessary to cut the first panel to ensure that you will be left with a minimum of a 3-inch piece along the perimeter walls in the room. So after the first panel, we're going to take the second panel, press fitting the tongue of the second panel into the groove of the first panel. And then I'm going to tap it with our tapping block. Look at that. No gluing, no nailing, no taping of the seams. Since I was lucky enough to start with the first row on a full panel, my second row is going to be half a panel. We want to stagger the seams for stability. Repeat until each row is complete. Check each completed row for even leveling and use leveling squares as required. Keep in mind that DRICORE is a floating floor and will always have some upward and downward movement. Leveling shims can be stacked up to 4 high. Recommendation is to undershim versus overshim. Cut the last panel of each row to fit into place, allowing for a 1/4 inch gap. Use a pull bar to pull the last panel into place. When you reach the last row and the last panel, it may become necessary to cut the panel or panels to fit. That was easy.